before plain oversized floral yellow print with this like stain that you can't even see in the video, but pretty much this is such a boring plain top that I wanted to transform into this exciting summer outfit with this pencil skirt that is so easy, especially if you're a beginner. It's so pretty. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Kaara𝖘 and I will be upcycling this old shirt. As part of my fashion routine, I upcycled old clothing and make them trendy. So let's just make it a very cute, nice pencil skirt, and I'm going to show you exactly how in this very short tutorial. So make sure to tag me in your creation, follow exactly as I do. Make sure to follow me also at Instagram because I can give you a tag, give you a shout out in my stories, and let's continue growing our community of stars. Let's go. You can pretty much use this in any t-shirt that you have at home. It's so easy. You pretty much just take one of your skirts at home, place it on top of the t-shirt, trace it, add a seam allowance on the side. Then as you can see, you have two layers. You already have your top, you already have your front, and you also have your back. And all you have to do is sew the side. Where I am pinning, I am only going to stitch up to there with a back stitch. And by the way, when you cut, make sure to cut with the hem of your shirt down in the bottom. And here's a shining tip: make sure to have the bottom of your skirt be the hem of the shirt, because you're saving yourself time by having that done. It's clean edge and you don't have to keep on sewing, which means more time to make nice healthy smoothie bowls. And now you have this two sides sewn together. This is pretty much the last step. I'm telling you, this is so quick and easy. You're going to take elastic, wrap it around your waist to determine the size, then you're going to sew it right in the middle, like with a seam allowance of 1 inch or half an inch. It's up to you pretty much. You see right here in the opening, that's where you're going to place it. So have pins right next to you so you don't have to go looking or searching like I did. And you're going to want to take the waistband to the top of the skirt by folding the fabric in. So you're tucking in the fabric to have that nice clean hem. And as you tuck it, take your time. You don't want to pull too much of the fabric because you want it to come out even. So slowly pin throughout all the way through, and then you go to your sewing machine and sew. Pretty much where you're tucking in the fabric is like a 0.25, and then where the opening is, it's gonna stay a little bit open, but you'll see just like this is how you want it to finish. Yeah, but it takes a solid minute, maybe longer than a minute. Go make a cup of tea because it's gonna take a minute. No, it's not gonna take that long, but pretty much you want to take your time, because if you want a clean finish, you want it to come out just like this. And that's pretty much it. Then I top stitch, went to my machine, and this is the finished result. As you can see, I'm going to go with a hand sewing stitch, just a basic fronting stitch, and close that. And then on the side seams, I used my iron, folded the seam in, and then hand sew for a clean finish. I don't have a serger, so pretty much if you have a serger at home, like that machine that gives you that nice clean finish, go ahead and use it. And that's it. It's done. I'm telling you, under 5 minutes this tutorial has been finished, and you can go wear it and say, I made this skirt. It's beautiful. I love it. It's just so perfect for summer. Like, it was so boring as a top, but as a skirt, it's nice, fun, whimsical, and can fit any aesthetic pretty much. Like, I can wear this with so many tops. I'm so excited. Okay, that has been today's tutorial. Make sure to share it, follow each step, as you will get the same results. And as always, I will see you next week because I upload weekly into the channel. Make sure to keep on shining stars, and I'll see you next time.